I just finished putting a backrest here in the motorcycle, and I was going out doing a quick test. So far, I like it. Welcome to the channel, by the way. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. But I tell you what, I wanted to talk about this because a lot of people talk about it, and I think it's silly. I think it's just so silly. It's a silly question. I don't know what else to tell you. It's a silly question. But you know what? In the interest of doing silly stuff here on the internet, we're going to talk about it. By the way, subscribe. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. But people ask all the time, should I get a car or should I get a motorcycle? And to me, it's a silly question because the answer is like, you should get a car. You should get a car because a motorcycle is so much fun. But if you're going to try to drive this thing as an everyday driving without a car, it's just going to be too much. It's going to be too much. I know someone is going to come in the comments and be like, well, I drive my motorcycle every day. Don't get me wrong. I have too. I have gone to work for weeks and weeks and weeks, and my truck has been sitting in front of my house for such a long time that I figure, why am I paying hundreds of dollars a month for this car that it just doesn't move? It is the truth. But I tell you what, here in Florida, it rains like crazy. You want to drive a motorcycle in the rain? One thing is to get caught up in the rain. The other thing is going out there. Right now, we have a hurricane coming in. You want to go to work in a hurricane on a motorcycle? It's just not going to work. Some people suffer with like extreme heat weather. Some people have, crazy snow. Some people have crazy traffic. Try to live in Miami. I just went to Miami recently to see my mom. Wow. Driving a motorcycle in Miami has to be insanely. So I'm not saying that there may not be a place in the United States or wherever you're watching from where having a motorcycle as your first vehicle is no big deal. Maybe wherever you live is the best way. But I'm saying that there are so many things that would affect, you driving, how dangerous it is, the environment, places to go, and a lot of times you got to understand that a motorcycle is fun. You could drive it all the time or you could ride it all the time, but having a car is a need because you have to go to work. And you may have to go to work in crazy traffic, in crazy weather, in crazy situation. And a motorcycle is just not going to be optimum for that. So this is what's going to happen. You're going to get a bike and you're going to drive it every day. And eventually you're going to get burnt out. You're going to get to a point that you're not going to want to drive. You're not going to want to do this thing. You're not going to want to do none of this stuff because, you're sick and tired of being rained on. You're sick and tired of being tired coming from work, and now you have to deal with the nasty traffic, and the bike is so freaking hot. And again, it's gonna suck the fun out of it. So to me, it's simple. You know what? This is what I recommend. Get yourself a car. Leave the motorcycle for what it is. This is fun. This is great. This is to hang around with your friends. This is to go to a ride. This is to clear your mind. This is to enjoy yourself. This is not for you to ride during crazy raining season like we are here in Florida, where it was raining every single day a couple days ago. It was crazy, and now we have a hurricane coming in. This is not for that. This is to have a blast and enjoy yourself. So in my idea, what I recommend, you guys share comments down below and let me know what you think. But what I recommend is actually quite simple. Get a motorcycle, love it. I love motorcycle, but have your main transportation, because I tell you, if you don't, getting caught in the rain and having traffic, it could cost you your life because this thing is dangerous. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We'll see you on the next one.